Get ready, now. That will be the participants. That would be the participants of Victor Apple under the advisory of Sir Alan P. Pinagilo Jr. For the photo op, girls, prince and princess stay in the front, in the center of the stage.
It's raining.
Strike your best pose and show your best smile to the judges. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Party! Congratulations! Let's give them a round of applause, please. Kapay! Wala na sila ng kapay. Congratulations!
Bye! Bye! Bye!